Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to see least cost method or matrix minimum method. The same problem we have to solve this here. Unbalanced problem. Markets and factories are given. Markets X, Y, Z. Factories A, B, C, D. Supply and demand is given. So previously we have to solve northwest corner rule the same problem. One thing நான் ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோவில் இதே ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு நார்த் வெஸ்ட் கார்னர் ரூல் போட்டிருக்கேன். the same problem I took here to solve least cost method. Okay, so now we are going to solve solution. Write the solution. Solution here, demand summation BI equal to what, 23 and summation DJ and summation BI is equal to 29. So the problem is given problem is unbalanced. Okay, so now check here X, Y, Z factories A, B, C, D 4, 5, 6, 3, 3, 6, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 7, 12, 4 and supply is 10, 8, 5, 6. So here VI value is 23, this value is 29. So we introduce dummy column. So we are introducing dummy column. Okay, so now X, Y, Z and dummy column and row A, B, C, D. What's the value here? 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 6, 4, 3, 3, 5, 4. So dummy row we should add 0, 0, 0, 0. So what's the value for demand? 7, 12, 4. Here supply values is 10, 8, 5, 6. Okay, so how many of demand here, values of demand is already we know that 29 minus 23 we get 6 only. So the column fill 6. Now the problem is become a balanced problem. 29 total supply and demand is 29. Whenever should add 6 only we get 29. Okay, so now proceed. So least cost matrix, listen here. What is least cost of given matrix? Okay, here least cost what? 0 is a cost matrix, this only. So 0 only least cost. We choose either any of this column or row. Okay, now we are choosing this 0. So what's the availability here? 6, 6. Okay, 6, 6. So we give 6 to no. So now 6 cancel 0 0. Okay, now listen here. So either column or row will be cancelled. So now I am choose the column will cancel. So again we check remaining the cost matrix, which one is least. Okay, so which one is least? Given the cost matrix, one is the least one. So now choose what's the availability here. Here 4 and supply value is 8. So maximum we will give 4 only. So put 4 here. So 4 minus 4 0. 8 minus 4 4. Okay, now here again the column will be removed here. Column will be removed here. Now here different we will get the difference and use any other color pencil also. So next remaining of cost matrix, which one is least? 4 3 5 6 4 4. So here listen, 2 3s are there. Either choose these 3 or these 3. So suppose choose this one now. What is the availability here? Here 0 7. So now we are choose one epsilon here now. Suppose we choose one epsilon. Suppose choose epsilon here. So epsilon minus 7 we get 7 only. 0 minus epsilon 0. So now we remove this row. After this, which one is left at? 4 3 and 2 cross 3 matrix. No? 4 3 5 6 and 6 4. Which one is least? Here 3 only. So again what is the availability check? Here 10, here 12. So we give 10 for this 3. 10. So 10 minus 10 0 and 12 minus 10 we could remaining 2 is there. Okay, so which one is removed here? Column, sorry, row. So a row cancel. So now we are getting the 2 cross 2 matrix 5 6 6 4. So in this matrix, which one is least? 4 only least. So choose 4. What is the availability? Here 2 and here 5. So we have to allocate 2 only. So 2 for this, choose 2. So 2 minus 2 0 and 5 minus 2 3. Okay. Now which one is removed? That column will be removed. So remaining 5 6 only is there. So what is availability here? 7. So which one least? 5. Here see here 4 3. 4 plus 3 7. Here 7. Okay, so 4 for 5 and 3 for 6 only possible. So choose these two values also. So 4 for this matrix and 3 for this matrix. So 7 cancel and 4 3s also cancel. So now choose number of basic feasible solution now. So number of basic feasible solution is m plus n minus 1 is equal to 7. So already know m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 4. So 4 minus 1. Now check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So okay, the solution is there. X 1 2 is equal to 10. X here x 1 2 again x 2 1 2 1 is equal to 4 2 2 x 2 3 x 2 3 is equal to 4. Again third row x31 is equal to 3, x32 is equal to 2, next x41 is equal to epsilon, and x44 is equal to 6. Now find the total cost. Total cost equal to rupees. How much this? 10 into 3 plus 4 into 5. So you know one thing, 10 into 3, 4 into 5, 4 into 1. This is int, multiply, plus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 6 plus 2 into 4 plus epsilon into 3 plus 6 into 0. So now 10 into 3 we get 30 plus 4 into 5, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 plus 18 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0. Epsilon is very small one, so we put 0 only. So now add this 8 plus 8, 16, 20, 20, 0, remaining 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 80. So total cost rupees 80. For least cost method, we find the total cost value is rupees 80. The same problem we are going to solve row minima method also. So row minima, the same problem we solve row minima method. So let's hear the same problem I write here. So similarly we introduce same procedure. The given problem is unbalanced, so we introduce one column D1 A B. Suppose they are asking row minima method, we have to find this way only. Okay, so 4 3 2 0, next 5 6 1 0, 6 4 3 0, 3 5 4 0. The same problem we proceed row minima method. 5 12 4, here 10 8 5 6, here now we put 6 now, then only the problem is balanced 29. So how to find row minima method? We are using row minima method. So okay, so row minima method, so every row we have to find the minimum value. So we choose first row now. First one, which one is minimum? This 0. So how to allocate? This value is 6 and this value is 10. So we allocate this value 6. So 6 for this now, 6 minus 6 0, 10 minus 6 4 remaining value. Okay, first finish the first row minima method. Okay, so here which one is the column will be cancelled. Okay, next first row again 4 only balanced now. So second minimum which one? So second minimum is 4 3 2, 2 is second minimum. So here 4 possibility, 4 and 4. So 4 for this column. 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 0. Okay, so now this cancel this column also and this row also. So next second row, shall we move on second row? So from this second row 5 6 only enough. So from this 5 6 here which one is minimum? 5. Okay, yes, here 7 possibility, 8 possibility. So 7 only here allocate. So 7 minus 7 0, 8 minus 7 1. So 1 is minimum. So again 6 only is there, 6. This in this row 6 only balance. So put 1 for this 6. So 1 minus 1 0 and 12 minus 1 11. Okay, so now this row will be cancelled. Again, what is 2 by 2 matrix? 6 4 3 5 enough. So we choose second row only, sorry, third row only. So which one is 4 6 only balance? So 4 only least. So 5 11 is there, no? So put 5 for this 4. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Here 5, remaining 6. Okay, so 0 is there. So this row is also cancelled. Okay, next what's the value for this? 3 5 only there. So already this column is 0 now. This column cancel. So only for 5 5 6 6. So okay, no, 6 only given. 6 6 0. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 very three epsilons we choose. Now one dummy column we introduce. Okay, now find the number of basic feasible solution is m plus n minus 1 7. So 7 solution is that I have to find out it now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 already epsilon we choose now. Dummy in row, to choose epsilon. Here also choose either this also. Epsilon into any value we get 0 only now. So solution வந்து solutions are here x13 is equal to 4, x14 is equal to 6, x21 is equal to 7, x22 is equal to 1, x32 is equal to 5, x41 equal to epsilon, and x42 is equal to 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then total cost is equal to 4 into 2 plus 6 into 0 plus 7 into 5 plus 1 into 6 plus 5 into 4 plus epsilon into 3 plus 6 into 5. So 4 into 2 8 plus 0 plus 35 plus 6 plus 20 plus 0 plus third. So finally we get the answer is what? Rupees, total cost rupees 99. We check the values. Okay, this is the row minima method. Similarly we can choose column minima. We choose first column x, y, z and d. Okay now. So thank you friends.